So the mommy is over there. The mom's doing the dad job and I'm doing the mommy job. Yo, what's up?
Welcome to vlog.
Oh, hello. Everybody inside the vlog. We are, for the first time ever, going on an aeroplane today. We are going to Houston, Texas to see the Mexican familia. So the mommy is over there. The mom's doing the dad job and I'm doing the mommy job. I'm just carrying the babe. The babe just likes to be with me more.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we're just gonna continue walking and leave mommy behind there. I don't know. I don't know what she's doing, but yeah, this is us. This is me and you, daddy. Me and you time. Leave mommy in the back. Yeah, that's what I said. Hurry up. She's struggling. I should go help. I'm gonna come help you. Oh, you got it all by yourself?
I got it.
Oh, we're good? Okay, we're good. I'm gonna just keep walking with the bike.
I'm just the dad.
Yeah,
and you're the mom.
I'm the mom. I'm like a pregnant mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, this is all you have to do. Carry a baby in your stomach. Super easy. Right? No? Okay, bye. Mommy is struggling over there.
Shut up.
Now, we're already made it downstairs. Where are we gonna go? We're going through security over there? Okay. Let's go, babe. No, I think it's over here. No, I'm 100% sure it's over here. Oh, we need the ticket first. Ah, we need to go downstairs first. Okay. Are you traveling with an infant under 2? Babe, are you under 2? Yes, Daddy. Okay, yes. What's her name?
Oh.
Oh, you forgot the, no, it's not Bella. It's
Bella. Last name.
Valdes. That's the name, don't wear it out.
Month.
Ooh.
Oh, October. I can't wait for her to do this.
What day? 23rd, baby. Forgot her birthday?
I was typing mine in.
2018. She was born last year. She's 1 year old, according to her. Now we are going through security, babe.
Maya.
You still down there? You still down there being a dad?
Huh?
You still down there being a dad?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks.
I got her.
Thanks. So, babe, we have made it safely through the security. Good job, babe. You passed everything. You went to the metal detector. You didn't have any metal. Good. And mommy is just, she's just carrying all the stuff. And me and the babe, we're just over here looking cute, right? Yeah. Yeah, Daddy. We just look cute all the time. Babe, any final words? Wow. Babe, we are now entering the tunnel to the plane. And the mommy is here. The mommy is here. We're going to first class. She's sleeping through this whole thing. I bought first class for you to be happy, and now you're just sleepy. Wait, or are you, mommy? Keep being a dad. Going in the plane. Going in the plane with the princess. She's gonna fly.
Very excited. She's missing the whole thing.
Pretending to be her. Wow! This is the airplane. This is where we're gonna sit for Ian fly. Okay, so babe, how do you like our first class seats? They're nice. We got TVs. We can watch Barney. I don't know if they can hear me on this, babe, but you are holding the babe now. She's about to give her the boob. The boob. Okay. The big boob.
I don't think the whole thing.
The big boob that's about to pop. Everybody hears about the big boob. How's it feel breastfeeding in an airplane?
You make it awkward.
Oh, can I see?
No, what the heck?
Oh, sorry. Daddy brought me, but I just want more milk.
Oh man. What do you want? Yeah, babe. You'll be back. Wait. Punch it. Sign up.
Alright, so the mommy is feeding the babe. And then we're about to take off soon. So we will see you in Texas. Babe, we landed. Are you excited? We're in Houston. Oh my god. You made it on your first airplane ride. Yeah.
She didn't cry.
You didn't cry. You didn't do nothing. You're such a good babe. She's like, I'm just very confused right now.
What's going on, mommy?
Okay, we'll see you outside, okay, babe? Yeah. Alright, so we have just gotten to Houston Airport. And now we're gonna sign off for the vlog because it's 1 o'clock in the morning and we're very exhausted, right? Yeah, she's tired too. So we just wanna say hello to Marcel. Babe, say hello to Marcel. I got you, girl.
Hello to Marcel.
If you wanna win a notification shout out like Marcel just did, all you gotta do is subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell, and what, babe? She said comment down below. And then you can get a hello from us. So that is it for today, fam. And we will see you later, fam. Peace. Headbutt. Don't mind me, I'm just a father-daughter.
Am I gonna fall? Am I gonna fall?